Welcome to Revit Collaboration Tools.
At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of
This course,
clients have the opportunity to obtain knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday.
the objective of the Autodesk Revit Collaboration Tools is to increase productivity while working with other teams of people within the Revit software, either in the same firm or within other firm companies, as well as within other disciplines. It also covers linking Autodesk Revit files, linking or importing other AutoCAD files, and practices are available for each of the primary disciplines covered by Autodesk Revit Architecture, MEP, and Structural courses. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students understand the workflow within the Revit modeling software. Completion of this course will enable students to set up project phasing, create and display a variety of design options, use groups, link Autodesk Revit files, use multiple discipline coordination elements including copy monitor and coordination review, import and export vector or raster files including exporting Autodesk Revit models for energy analysis, and understand the use and setup of worksets.
IMAGINIT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Revit through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software.
Each student will discover how to implement project phasing of past and future building development, organize potential design options for various client choices and other offerings, utilize model groups for better organization and repeatability within the model, seamlessly link Revit models from multiple consultants and disciplines into the same environment, link AutoCAD files for basis of design and underlay layers for construction, maintain updated changes with copy monitor tools of various discipline models, review notifications when coordination changes occur so nothing gets missed within the shuffle. Establish collaboration within the project team where all members can access and work on a project at the same time. Utilize synchronization to update changes across a network of shared users. Organize the project using worksets to keep everything in the right place.
Each day of class, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Revit functions, implementing designs while giving employees the confidence and to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fears that come with transitioning into new software and new tools, assisting Revit modelers in tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move forward through working with problems, experience through the software, and effectively and more quickly doing their tasks. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike, each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing model, navigating seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can be used to implement into your daily workflow. IMAGINIT's
Revit Collaboration Tool
equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional modeling software.